Hello guys, it's me Hassan Naqvi from SHUET section C, and I made this tutorial for you guys because you guys are bothering on internet that internet mean on Facebook that what does that mean and what does this mean, and there is no one to clear your concept. For this purpose, I'm making this tutorial. So let's start. For this, I'm using DOSBox. Start your DOSBox and start. Yep, it started. So first of all, you have to create a new file. For this purpose, go to file and click on new. So it is a new file is open. And how to save is to use F2 key or save is manually for different extensions. So I'm using a manual one for this, and it is a default directory name, and if you want to rename for anything so you can rename it. And the default extraction for your C file is cpp, and I'm gonna hit OK for now and override this file. Yes, yep, I'm going for it, this one. So for this purpose you have to use your backslash. First of all, for this backslash actually mean that this is the command for our guys and for the programmer one and for the human which reads the code. So it can make him allow him to know what this code is actually about. For there we can comment what this code is actually about. So for this purpose I'm as I'm using for the first practical. So what is our first practical? Our first practical is hello world. So I'm using hello world, and then we have to use a header file. So for the header file we have to use for hash, and then include, then less than sign, then stdio dot stdio dot h, then a greater one sign. So what does stdio mean? Stdio mean standard input and output, and for .h mean this is a header file. So once again we have to use same thing, but it is something different. Once again a hash sign, and then include, then oh man, then less than sign, and then now for this one con. What this means? Con mean console input and output. Dot h mean it is once again a header file, and we are closing the bracket for now. And now we have to give an argument, if there is an argument, so we use in our next tutorials. So for now we have don't have our argument, so we can use article said that we should use void, and then main, and then round bracket, and void once again, and then close bracket, and then so this void mean actually runs the program, or we can use void, or we can use int mean integers over here. And then I'm using for now is int, but the same thing happens for void. I will teach you once again. And int, then you must have a int means that you have a program or source code down there, what it is a actual recipe name or something like that. And here curly bracket, which you have to use the actual recipe, how to use that in steps. So for this purpose we are there is a function called printf. Printf mean actually does mean, I'm not pretty much sure about that, but printf may mean print file or print function. And then there is a um, bracket, and then what actually does it mean? You have to print the thing which you have to print on the screen. You have to write it in the inverted columns in the round bracket. So here I'm using hello world, and then uh, yeah, and there must be a semicolon at the end of the line. So this means that the program is end now for this line, and you can go down for the next line to read it. And there must be a semicolon like that. And once again here print, and I'm using my name over that here, that is Hassan Naqvi, and then once again bracket close. And what our teacher told us that we should use this this actually mean that some forward slash and mean that you have to make it for new line. If you include that or not include that, it doesn't matter. And then what actually you are bothering for that, and what actually get ch mean. Get ch mean get character. Actually when this cursor is blinking, I will teach you. Wait for a while. So for that, close bracket, and I'm going to run this program. So go for run, and you can use a manual key for shortcut called control plus F9 or run it. So check it for errors and run. So there are two warnings appear over here. What are the warning? That missing statement. So I forget to place a semicolon over there, and void main void int looks clear for run. Yeah, as you see hello world and Hassan Naqvi. So I don't use forward slash n, so that's why hello world and Hassan Naqvi is very closer to each other. So I'm showing you that if I use uh, forward slash n, so what does it gives us? Forward slash n mean for new line, forward slash n, and here once again forward slash n, and I'll show you once again running the program and run. So as you see that it is actual program. The it was hello world and Hassan Naqvi first was for our first one, and this is the actual program hello world and Hassan Naqvi. As you see, thank you guys for watching, and hope that all the your confusion are clear now. Thank you.